So, ngayon guys, maliligo tayo kasi mabaho. So, let's go! Oh, si ate running. Hoy, English yan. Oh, nagpa-post pa. Anyways guys, ito yung aking drawer. At kukuha tayo ng dress. T-shirt lang at pants malamang. So, nagpipili pa si ate. Ito yung pili nila. Okay! Good choice. O, ara naman. Hala, si ate hindi alam kung nasan yung pants. Dito malang, di ba? Ay, nako. Final look, t-shirt at pants. At bababa tayo. Malamang. At nagpo-pose at nag-singer. Liligo na tayo, guys. So, let's go. Ang dirty. So, let's go. Ready na, guys. It's dark. Ito yung mga gamit ko pang liligo. At ito yung shower. At second shower. Uy! May pa-flash pa dyan. So, let's go na, guys. Nag-dance pa May proof ako, guys. Oh, naliligo ako, be. Malamang! Ang basa-basa ng hair ko, guys. So, stay tuned na, guys. Ate, you forgot yung tuwalya. Dito na, guys. Ito yung ginagamit ko, guys. Maganda ito. So, gamitin nyo niya! Ito yung look ng shampoo ko, guys. May paano pa, guys. Kakatapos na lang ako magligo, guys. Hala, si ate hindi marunong magsuot ng t-shirt. Diba? May pa-dance pa yan. Kakatapos ko lang mag-ilis, guys. At ito yung tatapos kong ilis. Gamitin ko to. Para maganda tayo, guys. Ito yung teddy ko. Let's go. Ano to, guys? Tawas. Para hindi maamoy yung kilikili nyo, guys. Ako malamang maamoy to. Si ate, nagpa-focus niya. At ito yung katsalis, guys. Teka, tatanggal tayo ng tuwalya. At, let's go. Brush our hair. Malamang. Okay. And brush. Oh, guys. Tapos ako mag-brush. So, ito yung cabinet ko, guys. Madaming laman. At gagamitin itong lipstick at perfume. Malamang. Uy, si ate. Shh. Magkakala si mama. So, let's go. Put lipstick on my lips. Malamang. Ang ganda, guys. All pigmented. Para wala lang. At Kimpet. Last look. Ganda yung bracelet ko, guys. Ni Daddy. And ito yung final look. Model girl. Dance, bye. I love